Praveen Sahay joins us, research analyst with PL, and let's connect with him to understand that what he makes of the consumption patterns which have emerged so far. Is it time to get bullish? Because one side you had numbers coming from HUL which don't paint a great picture. Marico numbers were not bad at all. Is the consumption wheel coming back? I mean, what's your sense? Is the consumption wheel coming back, and are we in for better days ahead? Because the tax cut would kick in, monsoon looks like it's going to be better. Summer so far has been harsh but not cruel. Are we in for a better trend in consumption now?
Yeah, especially for a consumer discretionary or a consumer durable space, if I look at, definitely we are in the positive view, whether it's in a tax cut related a benefit or a good monsoon or even the consumption pattern the way forward for small appliances as well as for the white goods space. We are in the positive view. That's the demand to pick up, and that will reflect in the numbers. And so far, specific categories like of some summer products, like of RAC, where we had seen a good growth. Last year has been a very good growth, a strong growth we had seen in terms of the volume. So far, till March, we had seen a good growth in terms of the primary sales. However, because of some erratic weather in some part of the India has impacted the numbers. But what I believe is even in the summer, the extended summer, what we had seen the last year, this year also we're expected to play out. So definitely there is a pause in April for the RAC. There is some part, there is a degrowth in the secondary market. But I'm quite positive that extended summer will bring some volume this year as well. The only worry for me is the last year base for the first quarter has been a very high for the RAC. On that, the growth would be on the lower side.
Okay. Specifically, any pockets you would like to call out for within consumption which could be in for an uptake? I mean, it could be air coolers, it could be refrigerators, it could be AC. What are those pockets you would like to call out for us viewers?
See, on the white goods space, I am quite a positive on, because whatever the tax benefit the population will get, more expanding happen toward the discretionary and the large ticket size items. And in my senses, that's the white goods category is a better placed for the benefit of this tax benefit in the coming quarters and a year.
Okay. What about valuations in the consumer durable space? I mean, brown goods as we call them, are they good? Are they reasonable?
See, that's on the valuation side. If I look at especially for the electrical space or the brown goods, what you're saying, that is in the range of around 30-35 times FY27 earnings. And that their space, I believe, with the improvement in the demand and the growth to come in, they had in the past we had seen traded at 40 plus as well. So there is a room for that. The only thing is still some small ticket size items we are not seeing much growth, and especially fan, which we had not seen so far. Any uptake in the past quarter Q4, and also erratic weather is impacting their sales. Rest, especially in the appliances space as well, there is not much of momentum we had seen. That's why they are the valuation on the lower side right now in the historical trend. On the white goods side, if I look at definitely that the RAC valuation got a re-rated, like a Blue Star currently at a 40 times, or a Voltas at a 34 times. They are trading at a 27 earnings. This all depends on the volume growth in the segment or the companies. The stock performance would be, in my senses, the earning growth would be the better indicator for the return in the stock the way forward.
Okay. All right, sir. Appreciate your time. Thank you so very much for joining us.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.